Vlogmas Day 3 with Cinta, starring Cinta.
Vlogmas Day 3 with Carolina.
What you gonna do? Did you wanna play with this again? Good morning, guys. So today, the first thing I want to do is go shower because last night I self-tanned. You know, play with a gum container. Not sponsored. And so I want to take a shower, to get rid of like any leftover, tanning on my body, and plus like my hair is greasy too, so I'm gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna get all ready for you guys, and I'm gonna go do all of that before my cat attacks my face. So see ya. Time to get out the old winter boots from the closet. It is past noon now, and we're gonna head downstairs to eat some lunch. Isn't that right, Veep? Oh, she's struggling. And my makeup in here is all done. Alright, so I am waiting for Vlogmas Day 2 to export right now. And my dad, he just brought in the mail. In one of the boxes was what I ordered from Amazon a night or two ago. I really want to up my vlogging game, and I don't have the means to pay for a camera or anything like that, but I did have a few dollars to spend on a tripod for my phone. So Amazon Prime was the hookup for this Vlogmas. Oh my gosh, yes. He's so cute. The foam legs that are bendable and flexible. Is it? Oh, and there's a remote that comes with it too. Cool. Where's the cats? Where's the cats? Are you helping Mama set up the decorations? Hmm? Bye-bye. part of it, it's like broken off. That's so mean. Well, maybe it's not mean if it's true.
On the other hand, he shouldn't have been that stubborn.
I knew you're gonna jump up. I know you're gonna jump up. He sees this and is interested. So it's later in the evening right now, and I'll just quickly show you guys what I managed to do for decorating. So over here, I found these two gold star stands, and I symmetrically placed them onto the table. Right smack in the center, we have a John Paul II ornament with his face on it.
Carolyn, you ready to go? Ready to go.
Can't get it. And then it was the 50th anniversary for something. Yeah, for Polish school. I'll show you guys the rest when I get back from school. So I just got home 20 minutes ago, and hi, sorry, so it cut me off. But basically I was saying how I saw this video on TikTok of some girl peeling a pomegranate underwater, and she claimed that it was the easiest way to peel a pomegranate, so I just wanted to try this method and see if it actually worked. Yeah, it looks like some of it wet.
Rocia, te żaróweczki to trzeba chyba wyłączać, wiesz? A co tam na polu się grzebie? A na polu gumeczkę.
This actually makes peeling pomegranate a lot easier.
Tak?
Yeah.
See?
The things I learned from the internet, when you say
That you don't learn anything.
you say I don't learn.
Jak to będzie?
And now I'm going to drain all of this using, what is this called?
Druszlak.
What's a druszlak?
Druszlak to jest.
Okay. Helpful. Voila, c'est pomegranate, bone, apple teeth. Alright, so I wasn't completely finished on showing you guys what I did with the decor for Christmas, so let's do that, shall we? So one of my favorite decorations is Santa. Oh, my little photogenic bunny. My little photogenic bunny. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. So you guys saw that I filled this old vase up with some ornaments, and then I took these two gold bulbs from one of the bins. This dish is normally always here, but I thought it would look better with those two gold bulbs. I added on the couch this plaid Christmassy throw blanket on top. Over here you can see the nativity scene, and I just dropped some fairy lights throughout all of it just so it adds some more oomph. I'm not gonna grab some like big ass lamp from upstairs and place it on this table and have it directly lighting the scene. So I thought fairy lights would be a cool touch. It seems like that's all I did. Why do I feel like I worked so long and hard on everything though? It looks like I got nothing done. I also took out the butter because my mom finally got butter today at the store. So everyone say thank you to the missus. From Aldi, this crafty cooking kit, ugly sweater sugar cookie kit. We only have time right now to just make the cookies, not to frost, because it's already almost 10:30. So preheat oven to 350. Okay. Need to combine 1 egg and oh shit, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and add the cookie mix in until well combined.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
I keep eating the dough, and I just keep telling myself that I keep eating the dough. There won't be any dough left for the cookies. Just girly things. So I put the first batch in the oven, and now we're just gonna wait 10 minutes, and I have some leftover rolled dough, so I'll put them on another pan. Before, after. Ooh, get that highlight though. Hey y'all, so I just finished cleaning up. It's almost midnight and I'm extremely tired. I just want to go to bed because I have an early morning tomorrow of 5:30 because I do babysitting in the early mornings for this kid and bring him to school. So I was just like washing dishes just now for like 45 minutes. There were dishes all the way up to here, and I just finished, and yeah, then cleaned the counter, and I left out a stick of butter for tomorrow for the frosting so we can finish up the cookies. Just glad that we have the cookies all set for tomorrow to frost. Today was just a lot of decorating and editing, school. That's what life is as a college student, I guess. I'm gonna get to bed, but so I'm gonna end this vlog of day three. Why did I do 2? And we'll move on to day 4 tomorrow of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, start with what you have, not with what you want. Thank you guys. All my social media is linked down below if you want to go follow me on there. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Good night. See you tomorrow.